Mr. Rahul to complete their presentation in 10 minutes, strict time limit.
So, very good afternoon to all of you, respected chairman, co-chair. I am going to present this topic on two-dimensional dam break flow analysis of cascade of dam using HECRAS. My co-authors are Sivendra Jaiswal and Dr. A.K. Lohani. I am from National Institute of Hydrology, Roorkee. So as we all know that dams are generally made to store water. They are used for irrigation, flood moderation, power generation, domestic water supply, as well as for industrial purposes. But on the contrary, if the dams fail, they create lots of havoc downstream of the dam due to that flood wave. And in our earlier speaker are already told that we have to prepare for that also. So in that we have prepared this dam break analysis for a cascade of dam. There more than one dams are there in the series. So what is the motivation of this study? This study has been carried out for Gandhi Sagar Dam. It is third largest dam of India. And it is first in the series of Chambal Valley project, which is having 4 dams or barrage. So there are 3 dams and 1 barrage is there. And in 2019, there was very heavy flood in that region of Gandhi Sagar Dam. And the situation was so alarming that water was flow out from the emergency gates provided, and it is overtopped the dam. And at that time, that nearly 17.88 lakhs cusacs of the water, it was outflown from this reservoir. And considering this catastrophic situation, CWC has declared this overtopping as a national crisis. As well as there is one important fact that downstream of this Gandhi Sagar, there is another dam which is Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. And by the side of this dam, there is very important structure is there, that is Rawat Bhata Atomic Power Plant. So this dam, this atomic power plant is also very important for the security purposes. And topography in this region is highly undulating. And recent past, we have seen that there is flow is increasing with the time. So we can see over here from 1960 to 2020, their flow is increasing. That's why this erratic water flow has that rendered this dam unsafe, and there is need for some surplus storage that has been mentioned by in some of the study by Gupta and KVD in 2007. So this is a study area. You can see over here, there are 4 dams in the series. One is Gandhi Sagar Dam, then Rana Pratap Sagar. This is Rana Pratap Sagar, then this Jawahar Sagar, and there is Kota Barrage. So side by side, this is Kota city. So this is RAPP, that is Rawat Bhata Atomic Power Plant. This is very important, and also this Kota city, because this is very near to this Kota Barrage. So these are the salient features. We can see this. These are very big dam. This Gandhi Sagar Dam, its catchment area is nearly 23,000. And it stores more than 7,000 MCM of the water. This grass capacity you can see over here, it is 7,165 MCM of this dam and 2,905 for this Rana Pratap Sagar. So they are very big dams. So what data we have used? We have used the distal elevation model of this area. So that has been used, silent features, land use, land cover, that PMF, flood hydrographs we have used, storage, elevation capacity, all these informations, and this Landsat 8 data have been used for that preparation of land use map. So this is the land use map of this whole area we have prepared that is required for dam break analysis. And this is actually PMF we have used for Gandhi Sagar Dam, which is, you can see over here, that is 54,390 Qmax water, it is the highest flood, that is PMF of this area. So what methodology we have used? We have used all these informations into that RAS mapper, which is actually GIS for HECRAS. And in this RAS mapper, all these informations we have put down in this, that here. Then we created that storage area, and then all these geometric data we have kept in this model. Then we run this model as a unsteady flow. And once that flood hydrograph we have got from one dam, it has been brought down to the second dam. And in this series, we have broken down all the dams, and we have seen the effect of this flood. So model setup, we have created this two-dimensional mesh, which is of cell size of 50 by 50. For giving that Manning's N, we have used that land cover map, and we have found 5 different classes of that area. Storage area are also digitized, and storage curve have been used. That dam has been given in the form of 2D connections over there. Then dam breach plan has been computed using these guidelines given by US ACE 2007 for Gravity Dam, and that Frohlich 2008 has been used for the Earthfield Dam. So these are the results. So you can see that these are the dam breach for Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. This is for Jawahar Sagar. This is for this is for Jawahar Sagar, and this is for Kota Barrage. In this HECRAS model, we have that lateral inflow has been given, and we have provided all these inflow boundary and normal depth as a outflow boundary. Computations time has been taken as 5 seconds, and mapping interval 30 seconds. So all these analysis have been kept, and in this 2D flow analysis, and these are some of the outputs. So you can see over here, this is what is this flow in these at the inflow at Gandhi Sagar, and what is the outflow. Similarly for Rana Pratap Sagar, that Jawahar Sagar, and this is for the Kota Barrage. So all these inflow and outflow hydrograph have been computed. These are the dams. These are the then places which will be affected. We have found out that these are the places which is near to Kota. They have been affected, and what will be the minimum arrival time will be there. So you can see here where very less time is available for these places. These are so what we have seen, because that Rawatwata atomic power station, this is very important. So what we have done, we have see the effect. Then when there that Gandhi Sagar dam is broken, and at the same time Rana Pratap Sagar is empty. So this is, we have considered one case. And in second case, when this upstream dam D1 is that is Gandhi Sagar, it is broken, and at the Rana Pratap is full. So we have considered these two cases. And we have found that when, if this Rana Pratap Sagar is empty, then there will be no harm to that Rawat Bhatta atomic power plant, because water will not go up to that point. But here I think this this is not running. It is actually video with where we can see that how water is flowing. But at the same time, when this dam is full, when if Rana Pratap Sagar storage is full, at the same time this water surface elevation, it is higher than that elevation of that Rawat Bhatta atomic power plant site. So at that time, this will be this will be very dangerous, and we suggested that there must be some policy guidelines, so that atomic power plants, they must be saved at the time of very high flood, or at the time of dam break. So these are our some of the conclusions. We can see over here that maximum discharge at Gandhi Sagar, that is 79,000, which is higher than the PMF of Rana Pratap Sagar. So if dam is broken, then that PMF will be higher than that the PMF, that flow is higher than the PMF of Rana Pratap Sagar. So definitely it will broke that Rana Pratap Sagar also. And similar situations will be for the other dam also. And when this Rana Pratap Sagar dam is empty, at that time we can save that Rabat Bhata atomic power plant. Otherwise, there may be some situation like Chernobyl plant type of incident may happen, because that water surface elevation is much higher than that elevation of Rabat Bhata atomic power plant. So these were about some of the conclusions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. I think this is a very good exercise, just because it is reflecting that we have to save on to the nuclear power plant. And I believe this study has been carried out in keeping that aspect into consideration.